I hate the Amazon influencer industry, and let me explain why. You've got some really good people. You've got some really good, ethical people that are genuinely trying to help. Maybe they make some money from their personal brand as well. Absolutely, that's fine. No problem at all. They're putting content out there. They get some stuff back. That's great. You know, whether that's YouTube ad content or affiliate marketing or any sort of small membership site they're selling, whatever. And then they're really good intention people. And then you've got the bad people, the people that ruin it. I mean, look at that Kevin David. He's just been done for $53 million for ripping people off, for doing automation services for $100,000, etc., etc. And unfortunately, he's not the only one. There's loads of gurus, and I hate using the word, but there's loads of these people all over TikTok and YouTube, and every industry's got it. But Amazon, they seem to dig into quite a lot. And that's why I hate it. That's why I hate the Amazon influencer industry in a way, because I try and sort of shine the light on Amazon selling. I hope anyone will agree watching this. I try and be honest. I try and prove that it is possible, but at the same time, I explain all the challenges. I'm very real when I talk about it. I don't sell any courses. I don't try to upsell all this rubbish to the back of the room, sort of webinar crap. I literally just try and be as honest as possible. But unfortunately, if someone's scrolling on that YouTube thing, typing in Amazon, you still get painted with the same brush, and that's why I don't like the industry. That's why I don't like the influencer industry side of things. And I've got to be honest about that, because look, you're my viewers. I love and appreciate the fact that you watch this channel. I want to be honest with you, because I think it's important that you see this side of me. I get anxiety because of it. I worry about it. I don't want to be put in that same bucket. And I know that anyone knows me knows that I'm not one of them. I'm not one of these get-rich-quick scheme sort of Amazon FBA gurus. And I hate the idea that anyone would even see me like that, because for me, this is just part of my journey that I'm building up. For me, Amazon is great. You know, it's like I'm building my brand on it now, though, and eventually the brand's going to be off Amazon. Eventually, we're going to have, you know, be selling in multiple platforms. Eventually, I'm going to have other businesses. You know, I'm thinking about launching an agency soon. So Amazon is part of my journey, and I try and share the truth. And it's just a shame that some people ruin it for them. That's why I hate the industry. That's why I hate the influencer industry, because it's ruined for us by the people that are just all you have to do is type into Amazon FBA to TikTok and you get rubbish. How to build an Amazon business in 60 seconds. You know, like, and I'm not saying that they actually believe that. Obviously they don't, but it just doesn't look good. You know, join my webinar and then I'll sell you a 997 course, which you can see all the information on YouTube anyway. You know, all of this stuff is just ick. You know, it's just ick. And I try my best to get away from that. I try my best to never out people, but just do videos sort of opposing that and actually explaining the truth about Amazon. And I just hope that that I really appreciate as my audience watching these videos know that I am nothing like them, and I hope that you are sharing my videos to people as a reality check on the reality of Amazon, the pros and the cons mainly of Amazon selling, and also just business in general, e-commerce in general, online selling in general, because look, the potential's huge. But it's a shame, because I think a lot of people actually also get put off starting because they see the gurus, because they see the people, you know, that are selling them crap, and everyone's saying, you know, everyone's got stung by these people spending £1,000 on courses, and then they haven't actually taken action, and then they're putting other people off, and it's just a shame. But I suppose that that's an issue that I've got to deal with. I suppose the anxiety that I get not wanting to be put in the same bucket as them is a good thing, because it means that... What's going on? Quick interruption here just to introduce my new sponsor. So I'm now sponsored by Prepared For You. I've been using this prep center for a fair few months now, and they've been fantastic. Okay, if you are interested in trying them out, I've got a link below. Click on the link below, the Prepared For You link, and you can get £50 off your first month with them. Type in Hayden into the coupon code when you're signing up to your desired package, and you can get £50 off. As I say, really recommend them. I've enjoyed their service, and yeah, very efficient, very communicational, and I will see you in the next video. Let's dive in. I will always try and deliver value and not ever try and unethically sell anything to anyone, because I'm very aware of it, because I'm very in tune and in touch with these people and how I don't want to be seen like them. I think that actually does help me. Every downside has an equal upside. I honestly believe that. So I think anyone that knows me, as I say, it's a positive thing, but sometimes I just struggle to deal with it. So as my audience, I wanted to let you know that Obviously, that's not me. I don't have to explain myself, but you know that that's not me. And that, yeah, I just hope that you get some good value from this, and you don't ever think that I'm sort of one of them. And as I say, it's just a shame. But that's my honest reality. That's the honest truth for me. That's my truth and why I don't like the Amazon influencer industry. I will see you